Hey guys, my name's Nate and I'm the Outdoorsman, joined again by my wife Cassie. And today we're going to be opening up the July Cairn Box, and this time it's in a...
it's like a cardboard pouch type
cardboard
thing.
pouch. Yeah. So I think it's definitely, they've been trying to go towards more of the recyclable setup. But let's see what's inside. There's plenty of goodies in this. Okay, so let's start with this. One is tinted sunscreen butter, SPF 50, which definitely would be useful in here. Or not in here, but
this time of year.
This time of year. Definitely useful this time of year, because we're filming starting the weekend when it's like 100 degrees right now.
Very water resistant, 80 minutes. That's a good factoid to have on your labeling. I feel like a lot of waterproof like sunblocks. They're like, yeah, it's waterproof, but it's like, it doesn't tell you like how long for you to reapply.
Next one is a travel light towel. Nomadics. Ultralight performance material is great for beach towels, swimming and camping. Swim camping. And backpacking and safe spacing, quick dry absorbent towel. I think this might come in useful. But I like that design.
Oh, it is pretty.
We'll show you the design through the picture just because it's... But there we go. Just because it may be pretty big, but...
And it's made using certified post-consumer recycled plastic bottles. It's pretty big too.
Yeah. It's relatively big.
I always think of these types of towels as just being really small, but this one's really big.
Yeah, it's one of the bigger towels we've done through them. Definitely have some uses out of this.
It's
in
a
the future.
54 by 30. And it weighs 8 ounces. It can pack down to 6 by 2.5. Sandproof. Absorbency 4:1, water to weight. 4 times faster than cotton for dry time.
Nice.
Yeah. And the picture's actually the Great Smoky Mountains.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
I can see you like it.
Let's see what else we have. Reduce, reuse, let's see.
Those look like metal straws.
Metal straws. I'm on the fence about these type of things. But I'm not going to go on my soapbox. Not on here, because I don't talk about politics. And we're not going to talk about politics in the, in the comments. But yeah, no, those look like decent straws. But at least they give you, it looks like...
There's 4?
There's 4 silicone, food grade silicone tip. I think that's for...
Comfort
for you, because they're relatively stabby when it comes to mouths. But those seem pretty decent. And at least I know sometimes you like to keep straws around.
Yeah.
So these would be easier to clean. And let's see, are these dishwasher safe?
That would be ideal. Looks like it gives you a little tool to clean it.
Yeah.
I'd love to be able to just throw it in the dishwasher though. Eco Vessel.
I like some of the stuff from Eco Vessel. But it doesn't say anything about being able to be cleaned via the dishwasher, but I know sometimes you prefer...
Oh, dishwasher safe, right here.
Oh, dishwasher safe. So, I mean, we can easily clean these.
100-year warranty, stainless steel, recyclable, BPA free.
So, easy enough to keep around the house. I'm not going to travel with these like some people do.
No, I like this preferably around the house, honestly.
But
like out on the deck and things like that. But
yeah. But nevertheless, that's pretty much where the use case for these are going to come in useful, is just around the house. I'm not going to, travel with these like some people do. But I'm going to leave my soapbox for that. For not here. Let's see, do we have anything else? Nope, that's it. So, big question. So as always, I'll try to put a card up at the top, if I remember. I generally do. Got some pretty good items. My favorite is probably this. Is the towel.
I'm between the towel and the straws.
But in the upper, let's say upper right hand corner, I'll put a card up there for you to vote. Which one do you like? Do you like the sunblock? Do you like the straws? Or do you like the towel? And we'll find out which one do you guys like. You can always check up there, see which ones you guys like. You can vote up there. But again, mine is the towel. Anyways, my name's Nate. I'm the Outdoorsman. This is my wife Cassie, and this was opening up the July Cairn Box. See you guys in the next video. Remember, get outside, have fun. See everyone.